So today I'm super excited because we're going to be using the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. Ooh, there's me. That's cool. A beautiful friend from high school came and visited me yesterday. And the story is actually kind of funny because apparently she had planned on getting me the James Charles palette, but my husband got there first and she was mad about it, so she had to one-up him and buy me something more expensive. So she took me to Sephora and let me pick out whatever I wanted. And she's so sweet and I love her to death. So yeah, I already did this eye. I wanted to do something like really fun, really dramatic, really crazy, just to kind of try out this palette. So I'm going to show you how I got this look. So I'm going to look for the brush I need first. And the towel to wipe that brush off with because my brushes are not clean. Not at all. Alright, so we're going to start out with Cane's purple right there. We're going to start kind of lower on the crease and we're just going to start building our shape. This is my first time using this palette, so even though I've already done the other eye, this is still kind of a first impressions. So far, I really love it. I have two other Anastasia palettes. I have the Modern Renaissance, which I think I did a video on already. I don't even remember anymore. Which, considering it is full of neutral shades and I'm not much of a neutral girl, I love. Like, I think it's absolutely stunning. And I also have the Norvina. Now, with the Norvina, I have had some issues with blending. Like, the colors will somehow end up being muddy when I try to blend them. So I'm really hoping that doesn't happen here. We're gonna go into the pink shade, Bahamas, and we're gonna start blending that above the purple. And we're going to carry that up into our foreheads because apparently that's what I do now. It's hard not to when my eyebrows go all the way up there. And we're just going to blend that purple up into the pink. I am noticing a little bit of difference in formula with this palette. Because my other two Anastasia palettes, there is quite a lot of kickback whenever you dip into the matte shades. But with this palette, I'm really not getting any of that, and it is really nice. We're going to lose brushes and go back and forth between the shades. Alright. I think that's where I want it. If it's not, I'll fix it later. We're going to take our Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. And we're going to start our dramatic cut crease. Draw our line, look up, and start filling that in. I'm so sorry if you can hear the neighbor's dogs. For some reason, it will not shut up. I don't know what it wants. I don't know what it's barking at, but it's barking. Alright, so now we're going to take our flat brush, spritz that with some setting spray. We're going to go into Inheritance, the yellow, right there. Sorry, I keep blocking you with my palette. And we're just gonna start packing that yellow, making sure our line stays nice and crisp. So all of the summer makeup is coming out now. What is everybody's plans for the summer? Like, I'm hoping to make a trip to Oklahoma this summer to visit my family and my twin niece and nephew. I haven't met them yet, so I really want to go see them before they get too old. I have a lot of friends and family back in Oklahoma that I'm really wanting to go visit. Alright, now, where is it? Wrong brush. Here we go. We're going to take this brush. It's like curved and flat. Hard to describe, but that's what we're using. We're going to go back into the concealer. And we're going to conceal on top of the yellow. All the way across. Then we're gonna use the same brush because I like the way this brush works. So we're gonna wipe the concealer off. And then we're going to go into the blue that I'm not even gonna try with the name. This one right here, the like bright shimmer blue. We're going to put that above the yellow. Sorry, my sister's making all kinds of noise. I'm hoping soon all of my filming stuff and all my makeup will be moved into my bedroom, so it'll be a bit more optimal for filming. Alright, now we're going to take our concealer brush, our smaller one, and we're going to start drawing a wing. I'm going to need more concealer. Ooh! We're going to start drawing a concealer wing. Not too big. And we're going to go back into that same kind of curved brush, back into the blue shade. And use that over where we put the concealer. Being very careful to actually stay in the lines. And if you mess up, you just go back over it and fix it. For instance, I took the blue a little too far over the yellow. You can just go back and fix it. And we're not going to panic. Figured out why that happened, because I was using the wrong brush. This is why you pay attention to all of your things before you start doing your makeup. Especially if you're doing it on camera. And if nothing's working and you can't get it to match the other side, change the other side. Go ahead and take this tape off. And we're going to even up the two sides. There we go. I think that's about as even as it's going to get. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face, and we'll come back to the lower lash line. Alright, we are back with our face on, and we're going to start with the lower lash line. We're going to start out with Cane's, the purple. I'm going to start pressing that like we usually do, right into the outer portion of the lower lash line. There's hair on my face. I can feel it. Ugh. And then we'll take our fluffy brush, go into Bahamas, and smoke that out. I'm going to take our little flat brush, go into Inheritance, that yellow, and just pull that through till you hit the purple. And make sure you get it into the inner corners as well. Alright. Cat hair on my face. Right, now, if I can get it open, use our Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. Alright, I'm going to go pop on some big old dramatic lashes and give you my final thoughts. Alright, so here is the finished look. I'm wearing my Purely Or lashes. I can leave the code for these down in the description box. I put on Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost in shade Canary Bling and his lipstick in shade Mannequin. But overall, I actually really enjoyed the palette. I am going to want to play with it some more, just kind of figure out its ins and outs. If you liked this video, give me a like, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you know whenever I put up a new video. I hope everybody has a beautiful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!